Hi, I'm Kate B, and I'm a Teen Innovators peer mentor here to answer some of your frequently asked questions. So, what is Teen Innovators? Teen Innovators is a program developed for teens by teens. It's a platform to connect younger teens, ages 11 to 16, to higher achieving older teens, ages 17 to 22, through mentorship and one-on-one sessions and leadership classes. So, how does Teen Innovators work? We offer 3 opportunities for young teens to connect with older teens: clubs, one-on-one mentoring, and leadership classes. Clubs are group sessions, virtual after-school meetings, and they're focused on lighthearted topics that everyone is passionate about, from exploring new places, which is the club that I lead, to chatting about anime, to playing video games with older teens who have a good influence. They're a great place to connect with like-minded people. One-on-one mentor sessions are a time to dive deeper with older peer mentors. Younger teens can talk through their innovative ideas and how to approach tough decisions, like where to enroll in high school, or even just to chat about their day. Our peer mentors are here to listen and encourage the younger teens. Lastly, the leadership classes are group-based skill learning sessions. Peer mentors share their wealth of knowledge about things they wish that they knew when they were younger, like how to self-advocate, how to take good notes, which is the class that I teach, or how to write an editorial. Now, how do I sign up for Teen Innovators? Well, let me show you. Go to teeninnovators.com and click on the Sign Up Now. You'll have your choice between plans. When you create an account, you can enter your and your child's information, and keep in mind that you'll share a login with them. Right now, we're currently offering a free trial, so the platform fee and all the session fees are waived for the first 7 days. Once you have your account, you can log in and book a session or 2 by clicking Book a Virtual Club in the upper right-hand corner of the screen once you're logged in. You can select your club and the date and the time. You can choose at any time to cancel your annual or monthly subscriptions. Now, what should I expect in these sessions? We peer mentors love having purpose-driven conversations with the younger teens. While we help students articulate and think through their big ideas, we also love chatting with the students about how their day was and what their favorite book is, for instance. Mentor sessions are a great opportunity for students to be able to talk with someone older than them, but also not too old that they feel disconnected. Now, who are the peer mentors? Let's go check it out. We peer mentors are high school and college age students who are recently in the shoes of these Teen Innovator students. We were vetted and have letters of recommendation. And when you go to the Teen Innovators website, you can check out our bios right here. There's me. And lastly, another FAQ we had was about safety measures to protect your child. And that is referenced on the FAQ page of Teen Innovators. We're so excited that you're interested in joining Teen Innovators and can't wait for you to get started.